Sorry, that's so much in my pocket.
Well, you book it, don't you? Should I pay you back?
Top of Snowdon, come on up. Cheers.
Jak uderzysz się teraz, to będziesz sam zrywał.
Wicked.
Amazing.
Huh?
Amazing.
Good picture.
Have you taken a picture?
Yeah, yeah. So you go around move around the dial a little. Because it takes some good pictures of the background. Yeah. Well, you know what I mean, don't you? You get the picture, don't you, or you don't? Yeah. Move around the tile. This tells me where everything's at.
I want to go up there.
You want to go up there?
Stand away.
Rather
Do
you
you?
than me.
I'll put him up there. Are you sure you got permission to stand there?
No.
No.
Dad, I want to stand on that.
No, you ain't. Don't even laugh.
I'll grab one hand if you grab the other.
Whoa.
I was going to say, I was going to put you up there, but only if your dad is here.
Crikey.
Yeah, no.
You wouldn't want to fall off here. Like.
No, definitely not.
No.
Definitely not in the plans.
Not even parachute.
Miss your train for starters.
Yeah.
Dad, they probably have an ambulance helicopter.
Oh yeah,
No,
I've seen that over here.
Have you?
Yeah. Last time I came up, the time before last, came up here and the chopper was hovering right, well, smack over here. Yeah. He came around, he went down there and he flew over there and came around on another tour around, and he crawled up. What he was doing was, see that ridge there? That's Crib Goch, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. So he was coming up Crib Goch. He was wickedly good, like, because he was going dead slow. So I figured he was training. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it was trying.
On the training run, and then like he sort of circled around there and all around there. It didn't take long at all. Like it was wicked. Hell of a day today to be up here.
Beautiful. The lady in the
Very difficult.
station at the bottom when we bought our ticket said it was the first time in the month it's been cleared.
Really. Because I remember coming up here years and years back. It must have been 1982, and I could first see, and I could see the whole of Anglesey over there.
Yeah.
The skies aren't the same now, but.
Dad, can you see England?
Day took mate, a bit hazy.
Oh,
isn't
look
it?
at that white sun. Where is he? Come here, you. It's hazy. It's.
Never mind.
But it's nice up here, though. Beautiful.
No, Dad, Mum, you went like.
How am I going to get the plane in the shot there?
Right, I'm going on my bum.
Look up.
Huh?
Going on your bum.
Jay,
I was hoping to get this plane, like, don't let it get anyone up.
this is the way back. It's better.
There's that plane, man. I can't see it. When you grow up, you can tell everybody you fell off Snowdon. Oh, do you reckon? It's wicked, isn't it? Absolutely awesome.
Look at that. He's looking up, making me feel like woo.
Well, you're on the roof of Wales now. No one is higher than you except for me. By about how many inches? Huh. Can't get that plane in shot.
Shush, shush.
It's staying there somewhere. I don't know whether it's picking it up or what, but
Exactly.
take it from me, there's a plane there somewhere. I don't know if I'm even, if he's in shot, I don't know. But he's there. Ain't he, Lind?